everyone, I'm Azad, and you're watching Art Azad. Hope everyone is doing well. In today's video, we will learn how to draw anime eyes in simple steps. Watch the whole video till the end. I hope you like it. So, without further ado, let's start drawing. First of all, we will start with the right eye. I'm going to draw a round shape for the main eye. Highlighting is very important to bring life to the eyes. So, I'm leaving two small round areas empty on the top of the inner corner. I'm drawing a beautiful eyebrow on the top of the eye. Now I'll sketch it and fill in the inside. Friends, if you like the drawing, give the video a like, and be sure to comment below and let us know how you feel. Subscribe to the channel now to see more beautiful drawings like this. Now, I'm going to draw a bold line for the upper eyelid. I will also make a small corner of the eyelid. Now, I will fill in the entire inside by sketching the highlight. Now I'll draw the eye socket, so one eye will be complete. Now, we will start drawing the left eye. Just like the right eye, we will first draw the main round part. Then, in the same way, I will highlight the upper eyelid and the petal part. Here too, I will leave two small round parts empty for the highlight. After the outline is finished, we will now sketch with a pencil, slowly darkening the inner part of the eyeball. Remember, the 2 small circles for highlights will remain white. I'm filling in the rest nicely with pencil. So you can see our anime eyes are absolutely perfect. The highlights make the eyes look so cute. You can try this at home and let me know in the comments. Also, comment what drawing you would like to see next. Everyone stay well and healthy. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.